Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to export Framer to Figma, and it's very easy. First I want you to go to Framer and publish your site. Okay, so come here at the top right, click on publish, and then you'll get this link. So just open up this link. It'll open up on your browser, and now we come here to Figma, and on the left hand panel click on templates and tools. Okay, and you can go ahead and search for HTML to design. You can get plugins here. There's free ones, there's paid ones as well. Okay, clicked here on plugins. Let's just wait for this to load up. And there you go. We have paid ones and free ones. So you can try the paid ones. They are free ones as well. So you can see right here. I'll just use this one. Okay, this paid one. And now we'll use a new file. In this case, we'll use a Figma file. Okay, I'll select that right there. And the website that you had published, I want you to go ahead and copy the link, right? This is the link, the URL. Just copy this. We'll come back here to Figma and we'll be using this plugin. Once it loads up, all you need to do is paste in this URL where it says import via URL, and then just go ahead and click on import, and it will begin importing your design to Figma from Framer. And they actually give you 10 free imports every single month. Now here you can go ahead and choose different options. Okay. You can toggle those on as you wish, right? And this one is a pro feature. You would need to get the pro well plan. Okay, now we can just come here, click on go, and it will proceed further. As you can see, it's almost done, and there we go. And let's drag this to the right. As you can see, it actually worked because this is the mail us. It basically opens our email. This one takes us to the contact us page. As you can see, we have different components as well that I had created in Framer. So it works, and that is how you export Framer to Figma.